Hello guys, so very good morning everyone. I just want to share one thing for you guys. Really, a lot of times we are very focused on the things which are success based on the young generation currently right now. We feel that success is the only ultimate the thing. It is not the thing. It is not an end actually. Success, everyone talk about success. If you are joining gym, they said if you get the body you get a success. If you done something, you join college, you get the placement, you get succeed. So like that, everyone tried to make us feel like success is the end. That means the ultimate, the process is the success. I just want to recreate that sentence called what is success. For me, success is, it's all about the first step. Taking the first step and taking the right step towards your dreams is the success. It's a journey of success started from here. Because when you started something, actually you felt that in your vision, right, in your plan, when you are initiating that process, that's the real point of success. When you are enjoying the process, that is also success. I'm telling you, if it takes to reach the point A to B, if you are crying from A to until to reach B and you want to laugh at B because you have been successful, the society condition success is the end product. It's not that, man. In that time you can't live your life because you are not enjoying the process. Success is not the ultimate end. Currently it's a process. That when you are taking the initiative, that means you are succeeding. I just want to make sure understand that, right? You felt that everyone talk about success when you are going to gym each and every day and lifting. When I started in gym, I lifted only 2 kgs dumbbell, 2.5 I think. After that 5 kgs, after that 7.5 kgs, after 10, 12.5, 15 kgs, 17.5. I felt very like I felt that I get more confidence on me. Each and every day I'm planning to go gym early because I felt that when I'm lifting that weights, I felt my body how it's responding. I enjoyed that process. That's the reason I'm telling you, success is not an end product. It's a completely different. When you start initiating something, that is your success started there. When you're enjoying the process, you can love the process. I'm telling you, prepare for that. It's like going on a trekking. When you are going on a trekking, just do things. When you started off, get some snacks, listen good music and talk to your friends. Stop wherever you want, take rest and enjoy the view and see life from different point of view. Again you started walking, again you started going on there until you still reach success. If you started, it's like how society makes us like success is a trekking. When you started trekking, don't drink water because you have to face the situations, hard work. it's some kind of comedy, man. I'm telling you, this is I just feel like this is some kind of comedy because it's not like that. It's not like when you are reaching the final point you feel that yeah, I did something. That is the society decided that. It's not that the way. I am not decided that. I will go with full of energy. I will go through the process and most enjoyable process. I felt that. The reason is when I started trekking here, I will get the good music, good food and good camera. I will take the pictures out there. I will see my only focus is reaching the top, but in the middle I will enjoy the process. That is the most important thing everybody should need to have. It's not about sacrificing few things. Why should you sacrifice for one thing, man? You in life is is only one life. Why should you sacrifice things for your one life? It's one success, one achievement. I'm telling you, you are not a man for only settling for one success, one achievement. You are the man for settling, doing lot of things, lot of achievements. I personally feel that every person having inner potential, they can able to perform so well in their passion, with their passion, in their profession. It's all about, you are not lazy man, you are just not doing what you like to do. Just start doing on that. I'm telling you, you definitely reach the place where you want to be.